there's loads of possibilities and options that are there for me, and basically I don't wanna take any of them. I'm trying to take people in when they are having all these hard times, baby, but sometimes I just seem to realize that it's really you I'm all about, and I'm all over you in any second that I can. If you just let me, I just want to feel you close to me. I just wanna have you here, and that's basically what makes me feel so real. So now these days are going by with such a speed, baby, there's really no need for us being apart like this. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just longing for your arms again, openly there. That is really you I'm all about, and I'm